Look at the mother bird there. Oh, there. Oh. That two kinds of bird ay may nest dito sa aming balcony. Yun ang asawa niya, yung isa yun. May baby na sila, yung dalawang maliliit. Pero yung nasa gitna, yung malaki. I think it's a first timer bird na mag-baby. Naggawa siya ng nest. Maliit. Yan sila. Look at them. They're so cute. Lumipad na yung isa, pero ito kasi nahulog yung kanyang bird, ay yung kanyang egg doon sa baba. Later I will show you the nest kasi nandiyan siya. Ayaw ko siya mabulabog. Parang gusto niya yatang ibalik ko yung bird niya ulit, ay yung kanyang egg ulit kasi nahulog eh. She's begging me. Maybe. So cute. Meron siyang nest dyan. Oh. I'll go out first. Okay guys. Ayaw ko siya mabulabog. I'll show you the nest later. Pag wala siya dyan. Nahulog yung bird niya eh, yung egg niya eh. Kasi ang liit eh. Let's go and search for the egg guys. Kasi nahulog yung kanyang egg. Dahil the first time mother, the bigger egg, the bigger bird, last time built her nest here. This one. That one. And then small for her. So she get one, bigger one. But it's very, open. And every time she's going there, the egg is falling down. And now I cannot see the egg anymore. It's no more egg. Poor bird, she lost her egg. And we're going to see. Have a look at the other one. There's a baby birds here. I don't know how many. But, the smaller birds this morning that I showed you, there is their nest here. And there's a baby here. Oh my goodness, wala na yata yung kanyang bird. Wait. Let's see. Good. Two. Bye guys. Maybe I can show them to you when they grow up. And look at that. What happened? Okay, bye.